Did the Government of India Act 1935 lay down a federal constitution? Discuss. 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. The Government of India Act 1935 was a crucial legislation passed by the British Parliament that aimed to establish a framework for governance in British India. It proposed a federal system uniting British Indian provinces and princely states under a central authority body. Despite its comprehensive nature, the federal provisions of the Act were not fully implemented due to several reasons. Division of powers. The Act created a clear division of powers between the central government and provincial governments, introducing three lists: federal list, provincial list, and concurrent list. Provincial autonomy. The Act aimed to grant greater powers to the provinces, allowing them to operate more independently from the central government. Bicameral legislature. It proposed a bicameral federal legislature, consisting of the Council of State and the Federal Assembly, to enhance representation of provinces and princely states. Inclusion of princely states. The Act intended to include princely states in the federal structure, but this depended on their willingness to join, which was a significant hurdle. Challenges to implementation. The lack of participation from princely states due to concerns over their autonomy hindered the federal provisions. The outbreak of World War II and the rise of the Indian independence movement shifted focus away from these provisions. Conclusion. Although the Government of India Act 1935 was not fully realized, it significantly influenced the framing of the Constitution of India after independence, with many of its provisions forming the basis for India's federal structure.